In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task list with Notion AI on desktop. First, open your browser on your PC and head to notion.so. Log into your account so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to the place where you want these tasks to live. You can open an existing page if you already have a project or daily notes page set up, or create a brand new page if this is a fresh start. If you're making a new one, give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later, like today's tasks or daily goals, and make sure you're inside that page before moving on. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Notion window and click the Ask AI icon to open Notion AI. This is where the magic happens. If you don't see the icon, your workspace might not have Notion AI enabled, so just make sure you're in the right workspace or plan. In the AI input box that appears, type something like, "Create a task list for today's goals," then press Enter. Keep your wording simple and direct. Notion AI will generate a set of suggested tasks based on your prompt. Give it a moment, then review the suggestions it provides. You can skim through to make sure the tasks match what you actually want to accomplish today. When you're happy with the suggestions, click Accept to insert them into your page. This drops the AI-generated tasks right where your cursor is, so they're part of your content and ready to use. If something looks off, you can always adjust it once it's on the page. Now it's time to make the tasks your own. Click directly inside any task to edit the wording, add context, or split a big item into smaller, more actionable steps. If your tasks appear as simple text, you can turn them into checkable items so you can mark them done as you go. If they appear in a database format, open the properties at the top to add fields like due date and priority. Then for each task, click into those properties to assign a date, set a priority, or add any other information that helps you stay on track. The goal is to make your list both clear and actionable, so that checking things off becomes effortless. And that's it. You've logged in, opened or created a page, used Notion AI to generate a task list, accepted the suggestions, and customized the tasks with checkboxes, due dates, and priority. Save your changes, and you're ready to get things done.